Hi, if you are like me concerned about our living environment and all the toxin that we absorb throughout our everyday exposure, that can lead to many illnesses, chronic diseases, and even cancer. I want to introduce you to this art of healing that widely practiced in Vietnam. By using facial reflexology to triggering the energy patterns or sequence to provoke it self-regulate to its optimum function. That help with many chronic diseases and also as a preventative medicine. So get a cup of tea and stay tuned all the way to the end to get to the complete step-by-step guide that I'm going to guide you through today so you can optimize your healing practice. Hi, it's Somji here. For those who are new to Reflexology or to my channel, we are going to need a simple tool. It's called an AcuPen. This one is a basic tool if you want to introduce yourself to this new technique. It's a small medium head. It's smooth so we can target on the energy point on our face. And if you don't have the AcuPen today, you can also use an empty pen or a small medium crochet hook that have a rounded tip so you can target the energy point on your face. And the next one we are going to use is the Tiger Balm. So the Tiger Balm comes in solid form. The heat from it helps to penetrate the meridian and help to open up channels so it's easy for us to move the energy through it. So make sure your hands and your tool are fully sanitized, because we're going to dip the pen in the jar and also we're going to touching our face, so make sure that everything is sanitized, well cleaned. All right, and take a small dab of the Tiger Balm. I often put it on the back of my hand and then I can access from here instead of double dip in the jar. So let's get to it. We begin with the first sequence of stimulate your lymphatic system. So it's called 6 zones of lymphatic system. I'm going to attach all the diagrams below for you for free in a PDF form. So you can print it out or you can screenshot this and follow the sequence. So if you look at the diagram, it's highlighted 6 zones. So the first zone is on your bridge of your nose. From between your eyebrow all the way down to the tip of your nose. You use the pen shaft to stroke it up and down 20 times. Make sure that it has enough contact on your skin to stimulate these areas. You can pause the video and finish your 20 to 30 counts and come back to me when you're done. So we can move to the next zone. It's number 2. It's located here on the left and on the right. So it's like a half moon shape. It's a bridge between your nose and your eye socket. So you go like this back and forth for 20 to 30 times, and then you move to the opposite side and do 20 to 30 counts. You can pause the video and come back to me when you're done. So we can move to the third areas of the lymphatic zone. It's in the area of your nose wing. So complete your nose wing with the back and forth stroke for 20 to 30 counts, and then you do the opposite side 20 to 30 counts. Make sure you have enough contact and just tune into your body and feel any areas that are painful. Pay more attention to it and give it a bit more of a push just to help to unlock that blockage. All right, you can pause the video and come back to me when you're done. And then the fourth zone, it's starting this also from the top of your nose wings, and you're dragging it down to it lies on your laugh line, and it ends right at the corner of your lips. And then you just do the stroke up and down 20 to 30 counts, and then you do the opposite side 20 to 30 counts. And make sure you breathe. Keep your breathing regular. And when you're done 20 to 30 counts, we can move on to the next zone, which is the fifth zone. It's right here at the dented area below your lips. So you do 20 to 30 counts. You can finish your counting and massaging, and then you'll come back to me when you're done. Then we finish the sixth zone, which is along your ear. So you're using the tip of the pen, circle it starting from the front of your ear, but stay close to your ear, and then it go all the way to the back, and you stay on the crease of your ear as close as possible. You don't break the circle, just go around it, 20 to 30 counts. Remember, stay close to your ear, and in the back it's right at the crease of your ear, just tracing it around your ear crease. Do your 20 to 30 counts, and then you switch to the other side, and then do the same for 20 to 30 counts. You can pause the video and come back to me when you've done your 30 counts. So after that, you should feel a little bit energized because you get your system going. So now we can ready and target on the energy sequence that specifically work to get rid of the toxin in the body. So if you look at the diagram, that it shows the energy point starting at number 26. So the number 26 is between your eyebrow in the center line of your face or the center line of your nose. You do 3 push. You can position your pen 15-20 degrees so it's easier and it's more stable. So you do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. There's a 2 way of doing it. You can do the gentle massage. I usually use this technique for children or a senior or someone who's really fragile and sensitive. Then you do the 30 counts of gentle massage. But in general, I do 3 really like medium hard. So on the skin, it would feel like this. I would anchor my other finger on my face, and then I do this 1, 2, 3. Because of triggering, so it's a little bit more aggressive. You do it very decisively and quick. You do 2 medium and 1 hard push. So that way it triggers the meridians. So it's your choice. You can do the gentle way or you can do more of aggressive way. As you're practicing, you will find the one that resonates with you. Then we're moving on to number 3. So number 3, on the horizontal line, it aligns with the top of your nose wing. If you're dragging it out, on the vertical line, it's really a straight line down from the center of your eyes. You draw the line down, and then you will meet number 3 on both sides. So you do push on one side, 3 push, and then you move to the other. After number 3, we are working on number 50. So if you look at the number 50, it's only on the right side of your face only. On the horizontal line is aligned with the bottom of your nose. If you're dragging the line out, from the center of your pupil, you draw the line down. There's a vertical line that meets the horizontal line all the way down here. You get number 50. You do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. Then the number 41. The 41 is also on the same horizontal line as your 50, but the vertical line is from the outer edge. The number 50 is aligned with your center of your pupil. This number 41 is on the outer edge of your iris. You draw the straight line down. That vertical line will meet the horizontal line on the same line as your 50. You do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. Notice that some points are more painful than the other, and it's completely normal because those points are probably really blocked. So just keep working on it and you find that it will get relief after. So after 41, we're looking for number 233. 233 is, we're just working on the number 50 and number 41. The number 233 on the vertical line is actually between these 2 energy points. But on the horizontal line, if you split your nose wing by half, you draw the horizontal line out. It's just between the number 41 and number 50, right above it, and you find number 233. You do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. So that would complete number 233. Now we're working on number 38. 38 will be on the both sides of your face. If you split this area by half, you draw the line out, And then from center of your iris, you draw the line straight down on both sides. You get number 38. So you do 3 push, 1, 2, 3, and then you're moving on to the other side and you do 1, 2, 3. And then moving on to number 85. So number 85, if you draw the line on the bottom of your lip, it will meet the corner of your lips on both sides. There's a vertical line, you bring it down, you get number 85. So you do 3 push on one side, and then you move to the opposite side, 1, 2, 3. And then we're moving on to number 87. So the 87, if you divide your chin by 3, the bottom third, right in the center of your face, there would be number 87. You do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. Give it really good trigger. The third way of triggering is you can press and hold that energy point for 30 seconds if you choose to do so. That also works. The last energy point, number 143. So 143 is actually in this area. The opening of your nostril, you draw the horizontal line that align the opening and meet the T-junction in the center of your nose. You will find number 143. Do 3 push, 1, 2, 3. So go back from the beginning and do it one more time. And do it 2-3 times a day. If you're just exposed to something and you really want to get rid of it, then I would suggest to do it 3 times. Or do it twice a day and repeat the sequence one more time. Or you found that your body has a lot of toxin and you really want to give it a good clean, then do it every day until you're probably able to tell when bodies feel lighter as if you detox a lot of toxin. And make sure you drink a lot of water, because it's a way your body wants to get rid of the toxin. It has to deliver through the water system. So while you're doing this method, drink a lot of water. You have the tool to help yourself when you feel that you happen to ingest or touch a chemical that you don't want it to stay in your body. Then you can follow through with this step and just help your body to detoxifying all the toxin. If you find value in what I just shared, go ahead and give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to receive healing tips that I'm going to share with you every week. I want to remind you that Reflexology doesn't interfere with any other treatments, and you can't do wrong. If you target the wrong area, it won't do any harm. It's just that not as effective as it should be, but it won't do you any harm. So enjoy this new technique and be confident in your practice. My intention is to assist people in accessing the natural healing wisdoms. And I want to bring it in a very simple, easy, and effective way so you can have power to help yourself, to maximize your healing abilities, and you can also help your loved one. So be confident in your practice, be kind to yourself, be consistent, and do your best, and your best is enough. And I will see you in the next video.